Hello, this is my rendition of Don't Cry For Me Argentina, originally sung by Julie Covington. I hope you like it. You won't be easy. You'll think it's strange when I try to explain how I feel, that I steal your love after all that I've done. Although she's dressed up to the nines at 6s and 7s with you, I had to let it happen. I had to change, wouldn't stay looking out of the window, staying out of the sun. So I chose freedom, running around, trying everything new, but nothing impressed me at all. I never expected it to. I kept my promise, don't keep your distance. And as for fortune, and as for fame, I never though it seemed to the world they were all I desired. They are illusions, they're not disillusions. They promised to be, the answer was here all the time. I love you and hope love me. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you. All through my wild days, my mad existence, I kept my promise, don't keep your distance. Have I said too much? There is nothing more I can think of to say to you, but all you have to do is look at me to know that every word